You're ready to hit the food scene in this amazing city, right? But where do you even begin?
So many choices.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Luckily, we're diving deep today on 3 spots that are really catching my eye.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the Junction, Paloma, and the Five Senses. Each sounds like a completely different experience.
They really do.
And to help us navigate this delicious landscape,
Yeah.
we have an expert here with us who knows this city like the back of their hand.
I'd like to think so, at least when it comes to the food scene.
Uh-huh. Well, then perfect.
Okay.
So let's start with the Junction. The first thing I'm noticing is it's right by the station.
Oh, yeah. That's a huge plus, especially if you're traveling.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
And then looking at the menu, I'm seeing steak, and more steak.
Yeah. The Junction is known for their steaks.
Okay, so what's the vibe? What kind of place is this?
It's definitely upscale, like the city's movers and shakers kind of place.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You'll see some business deals happening over perfectly seared steaks. You know what I mean?
Ah, I see. So maybe not the best for a casual bite then.
Probably not, but I will say their bar is a destination in itself.
Oh, really?
Yeah, even if you don't go for a full meal, you can grab a pre-dinner cocktail or a nightcap there.
Okay, so that's a good option for people who want to soak in the atmosphere without,
Breaking the bank.
Exactly. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
All right, so next up we have Paloma.
Ah, Paloma.
This one has totally caught my eye. I mean, Mexican food and sharing plates, what's not to love?
Right. It's all about that vibrant energy,
Yeah.
connecting with friends over amazing food. Plus, the staff is super friendly, which just adds to that welcoming atmosphere.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, you really feel it when you're there.
Nice. Okay, so anything I should be aware of before I, make a beeline for those tacos?
Let me think. Just remember that those sharing plates can be tempting.
Yeah.
So come hungry. Oh, and also they require a 50-pound deposit for reservations.
Ah, okay, noted.
Yeah, just something to be aware of. And one more thing, the vegetarian options are a bit limited.
Okay, that's good to know. All right, moving on to the last spot, the Five Senses.
Now this one,
This one sounds magical.
magical is a good word for it.
Yeah, hilltop locations, city views. It just screams special occasion to me.
It's truly something special.
Well,
The ambiance, the food, everything.
and speaking of the food, they have a renowned chef, right?
They do. He's all about fresh local ingredients.
Okay, so with all that, I'm imagining this place is pretty pricey.
You might be surprised, actually.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, their set lunch is only £9.
What? That's a steal.
Yeah.
Especially with the view.
Exactly. It's a really great deal.
Wow. Okay. So anything else I should keep in mind for the Five Senses?
Just one thing. The portions for the set lunch are on the smaller side.
Okay.
So if you have a big appetite, you might want to order an extra dish or two.
Makes sense. All right. This is fantastic.